Hey beautiful, in case you don't know me yet, my name is Ana Victorino and I do makeup tutorials for at least 8 years now. Wow, that's a very long time. So to celebrate 8 years of being a beauty influencer, blogger, whatever you want to call it, let's take a blast from the past with this video inspired by my first ever makeup tutorial. If you're interested to see how I'll recreate it, then please keep watching. First step is to get a neutral brown eyeshadow and place it all over my eyelid. I'm using MAC SOBA eyeshadow, which used to be one of my holy grail contour powder. And then I'm layering a darker brown eyeshadow. It doesn't have to be 2 to 3 times darker than your skin tone, and then place it on your crease and outer V. Next is to line your eyes. I'm using a KOHL eyeliner called SMOLDER and place this along your lash line. Notice the difference when you don't sharpen your eye pencil versus a sharpened eye pencil. The color payoff is better with the latter. I've definitely learned my lesson since then, and also don't use your fingernail to sharpen your wing liner. You may use a brush for that. Now we're gonna intensify our eyes by layering the second eyeshadow we've applied over the KOHL eyeliner. This will make our eye shape look more cat eye, but before that, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes to catch any eyeshadow that may fall out. Don't forget to gently apply some on your bottom lash line as well to achieve that smoky eye. And then next is to highlight the inner corners, tear duct, and brow bone. I used a white eyeliner before, but you may use any light eyeliner because we're going to layer that with a highlighter anyway, which is Colorette Face Gloss in the shade Aura. Last for the eyes, apply a natural set of false lashes. These are my OG lashes when I was just starting out. I used to buy a lot of these because it's cheaper by the dozen. Who else is still using these today? Let me know in the comments section. Also, thumbs up for my old school music background like, hey iMovie, I know ya. Moving on to the brows, which are so important because it frames the face. I'm shading the gaps using Benefit Browsing number 6 with my favorite Zoeva Aristo brush, which I also use for my eyeliner sometimes. In the video, I literally applied a lot of product on one part of my brow and then spread it out with a brush. That works too, but I just rather be soft and gentle with my brows nowadays. We're almost done. Just apply a subtle hint of pink on the cheeks and then apply your Cool Tone Pale Pink lipstick. This one is from Colorette and it's supposed to be one of my faves, unfortunately. I love the shades and the longevity, but it snaps very easily. As you can see here, I wish they could like reformulate the formula. I'm layering that with the RCMA powder and a coral lip liner and another layer of the powder we used earlier to achieve a matte finish and also to make it look even lighter than the original shade. A finishing touch of highlight on my nose tip, cupid's bow, cheeks, and we're all set. Here's the finished recreation of my first ever makeup tutorial. Doing this video was a whirlwind of emotions. I hope you will continue to support my channel and help me grow along this journey, our journey. Happy New Year everyone, cheers to 8 years, and as I always say, see you in my next video.